Hi students, today's topic is respiratory disorders. You know that different diseases related with our lungs. In that, first one, asthma. Second disorder is emphysema. Third one, bronchitis. And fourth one, pneumonia. These are diseases which related to human respiratory system, right? Here asthma, it's inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Asthma, is a respiratory disease. In this respiratory disease, the main inflammation happens in the bronchi and bronchioles. In this disease, the bronchi and bronchioles, they constrict because of the spasm of smooth muscles of bronchi and bronchiole. These lumen will be narrower. Because of that, the person who is suffering from the asthma, they may difficult in breathing, and wheezing sound also will come out while they are inhaling or exhaling air. So and moreover, if it is caused to the allergy, the allergens which are the histamines, in such cases also that bronchi and bronchioles, the lumen will be narrower. It makes the person difficult in breathing. For that, they are suggest the vaso means what, bronchodilators. Bronchodilators they are suggesting. And second one is the emphysema. Emphysema is inflammation of alveoli. The wall of alveoli which have a mucus. If it is the alveoli, the wall, it will be more mucus will be secreted. Because of that reason, the alveoli wall will be thickened and it is difficult to exchange of gases. The main site of oxygen and CO2 means gas exchange takes place in the alveoli wall. This will be inflamed by the mostly tobacco. Means what, smoking cigarettes, smoking, those who have a habit in the tobacco smoking, that people affect with the emphysema. Next one, bronchitis. In the bronchitis, the bronchi walls, the walls of the bronchi, that sputum or the phlegm, sputum or phlegm is formed in the bronchi walls. Due to that reason, this will be narrower. The people may feel difficult in breathing and heavy chest and whistling sounds will be happening in the bronchitis. So here asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, these three together called as a COPDs, means chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. These three together undercomes the chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. And there are the pneumonia, which is caused by the bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae causes the pneumonia. This is the bacterial disease. In this disease also inflammation of lungs and alveoli. It may main symptom for that difficulty in breathing and heavy chest, and it may caused by the different protozoans and viruses which are the mycoplasma also. These are the general respiratory disorders. When you go for these occupational respiratory disorders, these are the asbestosis and sederosis and silicosis and black lung disease. The people where they are working, the profession by itself, some people are working in the stone crushing industry and mining and any spinning machines. In these factories, where the more dust or the particles are there in such areas who are working, the people may affect some occupational respiratory disorders. In that, first one is the asbestosis. That's the asbestos, that particle which is in the air. When they are exposed to inhale this air, they are suffering from the asbestosis. The lungs will be damaged. And sederosis. Here sederosis is the main inflammation of, the main thing is the iron, which is the small smudge present here where the people are working in the iron industry. This will be affects the pneumoconiosis and hyperferromia. Ferrous means iron only na. Then hemosederosis. Here in these two, hyperferromia and hemosederosis, in these we can find the alveolar hemorrhage, whereas the pneumoconiosis, in this the ferrous damage the lungs. And third one is the silicosis. The people who are working are exposed to the silica dust. This silica element damage the lungs, which are long exposure, chronic exposures. Black lung disease, which is the people who are working in the coal industry, the lungs become black, that they are not suitable for the proper gases exchange of these gases exchange. That's the reason the people who are exposed long time in the coal industry, they may suffering from the black lung disease. Thank you.